And the next thing he saw was this bare hand of his going right into the middle of a great glistening mass of black, and he gave one piercing cry as it touched. Outside in the sunshine, far away behind the house, the mother was looking for her son. So good, no?
I didn't really get the end though.
Maybe it means how we all grow up and our parents don't really get that, and we are busy on our own adventures, but our parents are looking for their child. ऐसे ही होगा, I think.
That does sound nice. Fuck, now I feel like calling my mom.
I know, right?
Alright, bro.
Did you just say eyebrow?
No, I said. Alright, bro. Alright, bro.
I'm gonna set an alarm for tomorrow. I have a long day.
Set it for when you have to wake up and not an hour before that.
I need an hour to wake up now.
Yeah, but मेरी नींद खराब होती है ना.
Fine. I'll set an alarm for 30 minutes before I need to wake up. No, 40. 45. Please.
Good night. I love you.
Good night. I love you too.
Fuck यार.
फिर से
कैसे मच्छर है यार, इनको कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, कुछ भी लगा लो. ऑडोमॉस मरा.
Yay! I also killed one.
वो बाहर का जी, बाहर का. 2 down, 200 to go.
Momo, let's cover our heads and sleep. I have work tomorrow.
Fuck this. काव्या, अब उठ यार. No, do something, man. उठ यार.
You're not gonna let me sleep either. I'm going to find a solution for this once and for all.
380 मत
380 कैसे? मस्कीटो ऑयल और आइसक्रीम ही तो लिया है.
Thank you.
What is this? Why does it say fire and ice?
I know, right?
Why would anyone want to use this? Especially in Bombay where it's already so hot and humid.
We'll find out.
We aren't using this through.
Why not?
Because why would I want to feel hot or cold down there?
I don't know. We'll find out. Like, what's the worst that can happen? I'll go to a doctor. Say, आग वाले condom से sex कर रहा था.
Okay,
अब मेरे जो छाट के बाल हैं, वो जल गए.
गुड नाइट भैया
Stop walking so fast.
I'm not walking fast. You are walking slowly. Mine is better.
Let me try.
Sure. कुछ और चाहिए? Back massage कर दूँ. What the fuck was
What the
that?
hell was that?
Just somebody give me a टपली. मैं जो गाड़ मार दूँगा.
Oi, Mr. Delhi 2016, relax.
The fuck?
कौन है ये?
Shit. ये तो U-turn ले रहा है. Fuck this. Let's run. Let's run.
शेट फेस कहाँ भाग रहा है
Karan, what the fuck are you doing here, man?
कैसा है?
क्या हाल है?
Been ages,
Oh,
dude.
man, yeah.
How have you been?
All good, dude. All good. तू बता.
Nothing, man. Just here for like 4 hours. एक दिन के लिए आया था काम के लिए. तू बता साले. तू कैसा है? ट्यूशन ले रहा है मिश्रा की तरह.
Seriously सोच रहा हूँ शुरू कर दूँ. Oh, by the way, that's Kavya. काव्या ये करण है और भाई साहब ने सेकंड क्लास में अपनी शॉर्ट्स में पॉटी कर दी थी.
Good to know.
Thanks, man.
Welcome,
That's
dude,
the
always.
best introduction anyone's ever given for me. But this is my assholic friend Dhruv, जिसको एक टीचर ने पकड़ लिया था जब ये 5th स्टैंडर्ड में था. एक 2nd स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे का टिफिन चुराते हुए और खाते हुए.
That's
Stuffing
horrible.
his face.
So basically you used to steal other people's food since you were a kid?
See, I was always this cute. Okay,
No,
उसका
you were always this fat. that you needed that much food to stuff in your face.
उसका गाना बहुत स्वाद हुआ करता था. बता यार, it's
नहीं,
justified.
there was
You would have done the
nothing.
same thing.
No, I
Yeah.
wouldn't.
No one would have done that. No, but you look even better in real life than your pictures. But if you don't mind me asking, what are you doing with this loser?
I don't know, chilling, time pass. You know.
Time pass.
Really? Time pass. शक्ल देखिए तूने अपने साले धनुष.
What?
Dude, wait. You're exactly like that. You're like Dhanush and Sonam Kapoor.
Auto wait कर रहे थे.
Except
I like this. I'm going to use it.
except he makes Dhanush look like a supermodel. It's so ugly.
Hey, that's a good one.
Yeah, you can use that next time on him.
Thanks, man.
Fighting.
Thanks
Yeah.
a lot. Yeah, what are old friends for?
All right, I'm gonna head out. Okay, this was great.
घर आना.
Yeah, true.
अबे चल ना बियर पीते
नहीं यार, next time I promise, okay? Because I just had the midnight buffet and drinks at the Marriott.
Marriott, Chariot, बड़े लोग. तू भी ट्यूशन ले रहा है क्या?
No, dude. I got a really good deal on Little App.
Oh, sweet, dude. I love that shirt.
Yeah, like fancy times, technology changing our lives. It's great.
True.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go. I will see you guys later.
Have fun.
Thank you, Dane. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Same here.
See you. Bye.
See you, bro. अगली बार आएगा तो please बता scene बनाते.
I will. Definitely. See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Good night.
सारे दिल्ली के लड़के सेम साउंड करते हैं क्या?
Why is my phone vibrating so much?
You're also awaiting some Tinder action.
Sorry. Do you know where like a pharmacy or a place for condoms is?
सीधा जा और right ले. 24-hour medical shop.
All right, it's gonna be open definitely, right?
Yeah, chill.
Okay.
Yo, use it. It's our favorite.
dude.
We love it.
Dude, you're super cool.
I know, right?
You're much cooler than. Look at your face. You're so much cooler than him. Okay, if you decide to leave him, definitely, you should give me a call.
Number है मेरा.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys later. Good night. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
See you, bro.
I'm getting late.
Yep.
And late, so it's a great night for me. See you.
Have fun.
So proud of yourself, no?
Very.
कवू बाहर आके बात कर. Kavya, come out and talk. I can't hear anything.
Why are you ignoring me?
I'm not ignoring you, dude. I couldn't hear anything. Sandwich?
How can you be hungry again? एक तो हमने इतना heavy dinner खाया, उसके बाद भी यार ice-cream also.
But वो वाली आइसक्रीम मेरी गिर गई थी. So that craving is still there. Yes or no?
Yeah, okay, make one for me.
Ta-ta, ta-ta.
Listen,
Yo.
Vivek's getting engaged.
Vivek? Oh, Vivek! Your first boyfriend from Nagpur. Isn't he the same guy who put a photo collage of you and his mother, captioned it as what? Lovers.
That was 5th grade, Dhruv. Will you stop remembering weird things about my exes?
It's just funny.
I'm being serious now.
Serious. Wait. Yeah, we should take this seriously. Salami. We should put that salami. Do you want that salami?
Yeah, what?
Yes. Yes.
Acha, put. But it's weird to know that he's getting engaged. He was my first boyfriend and the longest one.
Wow. So nice. Did you just say that?
I mean, that was the longest relationship that I was a part of.
Sure, right?
Stop being cheap.
Cheap क्या? तूने बोला. I'm just repeating.
You won't feel weird. What if your ex gets married?
You know, it depends. If the pretty one gets married, then yes. But if the other one, the blah one gets married, I'll be like, हाँ चल हो गई उसकी शादी यार.
So Delhi.
What's so Delhi about this? If that guy, वही Nagpur वाला part 2, and who used to call you what? Janu Janu. If that guy gets married, are you really going to be upset? Be honest.
एक तो वो मेरा 12th
be
standard का
honest.
boyfriend था.
Be honest.
Will you stop remembering weird things about my exes and making me feel guilty?
I'm not trying to make you feel guilty. All I'm saying, it's good to remember the fun thing about exes and forget the bad shit. Otherwise, how else will you date again? Hmm? You see that? Are you still thinking about it?
I'm sorry. I saw that girl's profile some time back. And she's pretty, dude. Now I'm feeling even more terrible.
Okay. Simple maths. No. Listen. It's going to make sense. 97% of Indian males that get married are between the age group of 18 to 35. मतलब अगर तेरे 100 फ्रेंड्स हैं 52 हो गए बॉयज 48 हो गए गर्ल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेक्स रेशियो उन 52 में से कम 3 लड़कों को तो तूने डेट किया होगा हाँ बोल दे एक्टिंग मत कर या so the chances of your ex not getting married is 0.03%, this much makes no difference.
What's your point?
The point is that him getting married is actually the normal thing. What you should do is send him a message. Congratulations. Please don't make another photo collage of your wife and your mother and put it on Facebook as your DP, because that shit is not cool, man. And he's capable of doing that. You know that. Send him a message. You'll feel good. And even if you don't, just give it 2 days. You'll forget about all of this. We are too busy to remember any of this for too long.
क्या बात बोली है धनुष?
No. क्या सिखा गया याद करन तुझे? It's going to be a new thing, no?
Yeah, I guess you're right. He's a nice guy and I suppose I am happy for him.
How nice. Now can we just finish this topic? 4 drops से मच्छर मर गया. हम ये बात की जा रहे.
This is so nice.
I know, man. I know.
Yeah.
Bite.
Okay, Chotu. Why would you do that?
What?
That's the best part of a sandwich. Why would you do that? That's horrible.
See, these are the things that you should feel bad about. Not your ex getting married. That shit doesn't even matter.
Yeah, I get the point.
Yeah.
But I'm more hungry. Maybe make one and split.
Now we are talking. Just give me 2 minutes. नींद भी अच्छी आएगी अब.
क्या connection है?
तुम जितना खाते हो, उतनी अच्छी नींद आती है ना. पांडास भी तो यही करते हैं.
Pandas. को सुबह उठ के ऑफिस जाना नहीं पड़ता ना?
Pandas are damn lucky, dude. Come to think of it.
I can't believe we're having this conversation.
What's the
At 3:30 a.m.
It's 3:30. Okay, let's just finish this episode and sleep, man.
Guys, you didn't have to bring up my ethnicity or my size. Wait a minute, I know you. Wait, how do I know you?
It's not for us to say what will be, and at the end of the day, we'll see which way the whole thing bends and what it could bring. 'Cause nothing really matters except the little things. Some say it works like this, maybe it's true, but the truth can lie sometimes. That's fate for you. Let the preachers talk.